All probiotics are not made equal. Progressive Perfect Probiotics stand out from the rest for many reasons. Like most of our formulations have been uniquely designed to combine both probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics provide important bacterial strains for a healthy digestive tract, and prebiotics help to feed good bacteria. They are all gluten-free and vegan to support many people's lifestyle, and best of all, they have been proven to help improve the symptoms of IBS, like abdominal pain, bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. Our probiotics focus on strains with clinically validated research to support specific areas of your digestive tract and are formulated to withstand the harsh conditions of the stomach and other digestive enzymes. This way, they only break down at a specific time and location where you need them most. Progressive Perfect Probiotics quality assurance is top-notch. All of our formulas have been third-party tested with TRU-ID certification to ensure that each probiotic species is accounted for. What this means is that what's listed on the package is what is actually in the product, no more and no less. Progressive brings advanced nutrition within your reach. Take your digestion to the next level with Progressive Perfect Probiotics. Your gut will thank you.